Hello and welcome back to the next episode of Cover to Cover, because there's nothing like books. I hope you're all safe and happy at your place and reading a book out of your bookcase. When my son was 5, some 10 years ago, I picked up this book, Reason I Don't Know. It's by Dr. Seuss, Here Let Me Show, and it's called Oh, the Places You Will Go. I'm no Dr. Seuss, but hey, I just went with the flow. Ladies and gentlemen, in the last 2 episodes, we spoke about The Algebra of Happiness by Scott Galloway and The Choice by Edith Eger. Why do I then choose a children's book as my third episode? Because it's really not just for children. It's my go-to book when I'm feeling low and down. About the author, Dr. Seuss, now late Dr. Seuss, was an American author, political cartoonist, illustrator, poet, animator, and a filmmaker. He wrote easy, fun, and meaningful poems and stories for young children. Quite a few of his stories have been converted to films later. In fact, my son and I used to love watching his movies when he was growing up. About the book, this book is beautifully illustrated in a typical Dr. Seuss style. It's really a poem and can be finished in under 10 minutes. It's fun, it's quirky, and deep at the same time. This book is my little dose of sunshine, and I hope it helps you too. Though the entire poem is lovely, I've chosen some lines that made it straight to my heart. Here it goes. 1. Congratulations! Today is your day. You're off to great places, you're off and away. You have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes, you can steer yourself any direction you choose. I've always somehow loved pieces of writing that give the charge of your life to you. You can steer yourself in any direction you choose, literally. 2. And when things start to happen, don't worry, don't stew. Just go right along, you'll start happening too. Remember that one step at a time theory we spoke about last time? My brother Vineet has been after me to start talking in front of the camera for some time now. And I've always been too shy. I always thought it was not for me. I finally took the first step and decided to trust him, and here we are. Take that first step in any direction and you'll start happening too. 3. Wherever you fly, you'll be best of the best. Wherever you go, you will top all the rest. Except when you don't, because sometimes you won't. I'm sorry to say so, but sadly it's true that bang-ups and hang-ups can happen to you. I love how Dr. Seuss has beautifully brought the reality of life out. It is matter-of-factly and not too serious. Hang-ups happen to all of us, but should that really stop us from flying? 4. And the chances are then that you'll be in a slump, and when you're in a slump, you're not in for much fun. Unslumping yourself is not easily done. What I love about these lines is how Dr. Seuss is not saying you will never unslump yourself. You will, of course you will. I guess we all come out of difficult times finally. Just that it'll take its own time and it may not be easy, but hang in there. 5. You can get so confused that you'll start into race down long wiggle roads at a breaknecking pace and grind on for miles across weirdish white space, headed, I fear, towards a most useless place, the waiting place. Okay, firstly, as much as I love reading and rereading this poem, it is a tongue twister, so please do pardon me. These lines here remind me of all the years I wasted just running and burning out without knowing why and where I was really going. 6. For people just waiting for a train to go or a bus to come, or a plane to go or the mail to come, or the rain to go or the phone to ring, or the snow to snow, or the waiting around for a yes or a no, or waiting for their hair to grow. Everyone is just waiting. Reminds you of anything? If not, you are in a great place and congratulations. If, however, it does remind you of something, go do something about it. 7. Oh, the places you'll go. There is fun to be done, there are points to be scored, there are games to be won, and the magical things you can do with that ball will make you the winningest winner of all. Fame, you'll be as famous can be, with the whole wide world watching you win on TV. I love how Dr. Seuss brings the beauty and magic of life alive here, if you just decide to live it that way, isn't it? 8. Except when they don't, because sometimes they won't. I'm afraid that sometimes you'll play lonely games too. Games you can't win because you'll play against you, all alone. Whether you like it or not, alone will be something you'll be quite a lot. 9. You'll get mixed up, of course, as you already know. You'll get mixed up with many strange birds as you go. So be sure when you step with care and great tact, and remember that life's a great balancing act. And finally, 10. And will you succeed? Yes, you will indeed. 98.75% guaranteed. Kid, you will move mountains. You're off to great places. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting. So get on your way. So when you read this book, please remember me or the places you'll go in episode 3. We all need a book that is full of light when we need a little kick when we are in a fight. And remember, we are all finally kids inside, and all of us often need a mentor or a guide. And books, as they say, have been tested and tried. And books, as they say, always keep one by your side. Have a great festive season, friends. We all have gone through a lot. Keep reading, keep learning, and stay in touch. This is Cover to Cover. I will be soon back with another book or a whole rack. Thank you.